Listen and practice. Listen and practice. A journey in a crowded bus. A few days back, I had a bitter experience of a journey in a crowded bus. Father and myself were waiting at Korea Junction to get a bus for Esplanade. The bus came after some time. It was jam-packed. The bus was so crowded that many passengers were standing and even hanging at the gates. To get into the bus was a problem. We had to board the overcrowded bus as we were in a hurry. We struggled really very hard to get into the bus. We shouldered and elbowed our way inside the bus. Some of the passengers were shouting at us as we trod their feet. The inside of the bus was so crowded that even standing comfortably there was very difficult. Sometimes I had to stand on one foot. But despite so much of trouble, the conductor was doing his duties properly. It was a big wonder to me. In addition to these difficulties, the bus was jogging along rough roads and the driver often applied the brakes. As a result, the passengers lost their temper and cursed him. Some were criticizing the government for its failure to tackle the transport problems. Some among the passengers were cutting and cracking nice jokes. All enjoyed them much. At last, we came to our destination and got down with a deep sigh of relief. A journey by train. I had a great desire to go on a journey by train. My dream came true when my father planned to go to South India on a visit in the last summer vacation. On May 25 last, I, along with other members of our family, arrived at Howrah station at 2 p.m. to catch the Coromandel Express. Father had our seats reserved well in advance. We boarded the train and took our seats in time. I was lucky enough to have a seat by the window. Most of the passengers in the compartment were Bengalese. They were also going to South India to enjoy the vacation. However, the train started at the right time and soon it picked up great speed. In no time, I forgot everything and only looked outside. The first halt was at Kadgapur. As the train stopped, the hawkers entered the compartment to sell their articles. Soon the train started again and our next halt was at Baleswar. Then we had our supper and after some time went to sleep. I took the upper berth and soon fell fast asleep. I woke up early next morning and started enjoying the wavy landscapes of Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. At long last, our train reached Chennai in the evening. Thus, our delightful journey came to a close.